To flash a clip in CapCut, you need to understand the basics of the app and its features. CapCut is a popular video editing app that offers various tools and effects to enhance your videos. Flashing a clip refers to adding a flash effect to a specific part of your video, making it more engaging and attention-grabbing. First, open CapCut and select the video you want to edit. Once your video is uploaded, you can start editing by tapping on the plus icon to add a new clip or effect. To flash a clip, you need to add a flash effect to your video. CapCut offers various flash effects, including flash, blink, and strobe. To add a flash effect, go to the Effects tab and browse through the available options. Select the flash effect you want to use and drag it to the timeline where you want the effect to appear. You can adjust the duration of the flash effect by dragging the edges of the effect in the timeline. To customize the flash effect, tap on the effect in the timeline and adjust the settings as needed. You can change the color, intensity, and speed of the flash effect to suit your video. You can also add multiple flash effects to your video by repeating the process. Best practices for flashing a clip in CapCut include using the flash effect sparingly to avoid overwhelming your viewers. You should also ensure that the flash effect is relevant to the content of your video and does not distract from the main message. Additionally, you can experiment with different flash effects and settings to find the one that works best for your video. In conclusion, flashing a clip in CapCut is a simple process that can add a professional touch to your videos. By following these steps and best practices, you can create engaging and attention-grabbing videos that showcase your creativity and style. With CapCut's user-friendly interface and wide range of effects, you can easily flash a clip and take your video editing skills to the next level.